In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a cool form in Formstack. Beginner's tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, create a form, add the right fields, clean up mistakes, and personalize everything so it looks polished and user-friendly. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Formstack. Head to the official site and click Sign In. Enter your email and password, then select Log In to reach your account dashboard. From there, look for the Products menu and choose Forms. This is where all your form building tools live. Click Create Form to get started. You'll be prompted to pick the kind of form you want to create and give it a name. Choose something descriptive so you and your team can find it easily later. Next, decide whether you want to start from a blank form or use a template. Go blank if you want full control over every field. Use a template if you want a head start with a pre-structured layout. Once you've decided, click your preferred option to open the form builder. Inside the builder, you'll see your working area on the right and your toolbox on the left. The toolbox is organized into basic fields, advanced fields, and layout and sections. Basic fields include the essentials you'll use most often, like text fields, email, phone, drop-downs, and checkboxes. Advanced fields offer more powerful options such as file uploads, signatures, and calculation fields. Layout and sections help you control structure with things like headers, page breaks, and columns to improve readability and flow. To add content, either click a field or drag it into the working area on the right. Dragging lets you position it exactly where you want. Add essentials like name, email address, and phone number, and then include anything else your form needs. If you add something by mistake, it's easy to fix. Click the field, use the trash icon in the upper right corner of that field, and confirm delete. You can repeat this for any field you no longer want. To customize a field, click the pencil icon. Here you can change the label, add help text, make the field required, and adjust options or validation as needed. As you personalize, aim for clarity. Group related questions using sections, keep labels short, and avoid unnecessary fields to reduce drop-off. Consider mobile users by keeping the form concise and using placeholders or hint text where helpful. That's it. You've navigated to Forms, created a form, picked a template, or started blank, added and arranged fields, deleted mistakes, and personalized your design. Follow along and you'll have a clean professional Formstack form in no time.